Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you and demonstrate how to work with curl. It's very cool CLI tool, command line interface tool, which allows to do many things. It's got many uses. For example, I can check if my site is live. I can download file or some text from any website. I can send file to any website. I can send data with post request and many other uses. The first example I want to show you is how to test if a website alive or not. I will type the command curl, follow my website address. I got result. I got result that contain the HTML of the address of the website. So it's alive. Very good, very easy. Now let's clean and go to the second example. In this example, I'm using the parameter -x to send post request. -x can set any type of request: get, post, put, delete. In this case I choose post. And I'm using also another parameter, which is -d, to send name and age of John, in this case, to this website, example.com. The result indicate not found. In this case, it's not a real website, so I didn't expect to find anything, but I got result. I can see it on my console. The next demonstration is how to get data from any website and save it directly into a file. I'm using the parameter O to indicate I want to save it as a file, as local file. It's taking less than a second and I got a new file with the content from the website. If I want to rename the file, I can skip the O and simply redirect the result to any file I want. Demo. Now I got a new file and I select the name. The last example, I want to do some web scraping. It's not really a deep web scraping where I can take whatever I want, but I can take the result from this address, in this case CNN.com, and display it in the console, or even save it to any file. And we got a result. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.